How to find someone's social media accounts by phone number. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started. Some social media platforms allow you to find accounts associated with phone numbers when syncing your contacts, and here is how you can do it on popular platform. Since Instagram is owned by Meta, you can find people on Instagram using the phone number linked to their account. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. You can follow the same steps done here in other popular platforms as well. Now all you have to do is tap on the search address bar at the bottom and navigate to the search section of the Instagram. Once inside the search section, tap on the search bar again, and there you'll get to see sync contacts option available. Sync the contacts and tap on the continue option available there. Now, Instagram will automatically suggest accounts based on the phone numbers linked to your contacts. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.